Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2012 Harley-Davidson TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic with 31,493 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a Screaming Eagle 120 ST crate motor, HD Series TRIKE saddlebags, premium tour pack luggage rack, HD Series nostalgic hand grips, an EFI module, Bandit clutch basket with a Thunder Max tuner, front axle caps, and an aftermarket opener intake. From the factory, it comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. Comfort and convenience are at the forefront of the TRIGLIDE Ultra Classic. Outfitted with modern conveniences, the stock twin-cam 103 motor delivered a reliable performance. The upgraded Screaming Eagle 120 cubic inch motor improves on that performance and puts 106 horsepower and 117 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 27.3 inch seat height and a dry weight of 852 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.